Hey guys, today we'll be talking about the differences between a matte black wrap and a satin black wrap. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I think this is a very popular question for wrapping your car or just doing a chrome delete in general, so let's start with how they are different. Matte black finishes are smooth, subtle, and have no sheen, which basically means that they don't shine because the material absorbs light rather than reflects it. So you'll see this because it looks like a pretty flat color. One con of matte is that it tends to hold on to dirt, and it in turn sometimes makes it harder to clean and possibly can damage the finish trying to get that dirt off. Satin black finishes are silky and smooth, and there is a pearl-like sheen. You'll see this in the slight reflection of shine you get when you're looking at it. If you look closely, you can also see that smooth and silkiness along with the shine compared to matte, which almost looks dry and rough in a sense. There is also glossy black, which is even more shine than satin, basically similar to the shine of your paint when it's brand new. So there are two things to consider when choosing which one you want. How much do you want to stand out in the crowd, and your personal preference. Matte will help you stand out the most because it'll have the biggest contrast between the no shine look chrome delete and your shiny paint. If you want an in-between, go with the satin black because there isn't as much shine as your paint, but there will still be a little shine in the finish. My personal preference and the most popular color is the satin black. Personally, I'm not really a fan of how flat and no shine the matte finish looks. The contrast was a little too much contrast for me. I also didn't want the shiny light gloss where your trim looks exactly the same as your paint finish. That's how I decided on the satin finish chrome delete, and in my opinion, I think it looks great on my midnight silver metallic color car. Which finish are you going to pick and why? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.